Kia ora and happy Monday, everyone. My name is Joe. I'm the Project Delivery Manager at Superhuman, and this week we are starting the week off strong with talking about an exciting feature called the Trust Center. It's a new feature to the AI Workspace, and I'm very happy to present it to you. This feature is all about transparency and confidence. In a world when we're delegating more and more work to AIs, how can we be sure that it is looking at the right things we want it to look at and thinking in the right way? Trust Center helps us to get that confidence from the AI. So let's get into it. First thing I need to do in the AI Workspace is actually turn it on. So let's go into here. I'm going to find my AI models, scroll down to the bottom, and I want to make sure that Superbrain has Trust Center on. Just turn it on. It's as simple as that. Okay, now that it's on, I've got my Superbrain agent up there, and I can ask it a question. So I'm going to ask it, give me an overview of what's the latest news with AI. So it should know to look out at the interwebs to get that answer, and it will, and it's going to give me a response. It's going to have a think, it's going to look at the internet, and it's going to come back to me with an answer to my question. I can see that it's searching for relevant information, but what information is that? Is it just using the information it's been trained on? Is it going to particular websites? And if it is going to websites, how is it categorizing the work? So I've got a response. I'm pretty happy with this response, but how do I know I can trust it? First step is to go to this little icon over here, click on it, and open up Trust Center. How was the AI generated? So first, it gives me the input that I put in, and then it gives me the opportunity to look at all of the places that it went to get the answers. So it's categorized a couple of different learning paths. So AI advancement and trends, AI applications across industries, business economics impacts, you get the idea. And in each one, it tells me where it went and the articles that it looked at. And at the end of the research, I can then see my generated response, which is basically what we have here. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think that is the information that I wanted. So that's great if I want to get some stuff off the internet, but what if I wanted to reference a particular file? So we'll do a really quick demo for you, and we'll grab a file from the computer. Let's do, say, carousel 1, open, and upload. So I've uploaded the file. Now I just want it to give me a brief on what it's about before I dive into it. Okay, so it's going to read the file, and it should give me a brief summary. All right, and there's our summary being generated. But if I didn't know the file, how could I be sure it was doing its due diligence? Well, I go into Trust Center, and I can say which files were analyzed. I can see the file that I uploaded was analyzed. I can also see how it analyzed the attachment. And then, of course, lastly, I can see the response that was generated, which is the same response on the left. This tool has been crucial to my day-to-day tasks. I want the AI to summarize recent research, but I also want to understand how it built the summary. This tool makes that possible. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching, and have a great week.